Many mornings feel hard because too many decisions happen at once, and most of those decisions happen silently in your head. What should I do first? What should I not forget? What's urgent? Those questions stack up quickly. And when they stack, pressure follows. That pressure creates stress before the day even begins. Not because the day is hard, but because the start feels unclear. The simple idea we'll use today is this: reduce decisions by choosing a few steady actions ahead of time. That's it. No hacks, no tricks. A morning routine is not about doing more. And this part is important. It's about doing less on purpose. Less thinking, less guessing. Here's the idea broken into simple parts. First, mornings work better when you start with order instead of reaction. Not reacting to messages, not reacting to thoughts. Second, comes from repeating a few familiar actions. Your body likes knowing what comes next. Third, writing things down helps your mind relax. Because once it's on paper, your brain doesn't have to hold it anymore. For example, if you already know what your first few minutes look like, you don't have to think so much. Your body just follows along. And when your body feels steady, your mind usually follows. Today's methods has three gentle steps. Nothing hidden, nothing complicated. First, we choose a calm starting moment. Second, we add one steady task. Third, we connect it into a simple flow. This works because your brain likes predictability. Even a small plan can make a big emotional difference. So, as we move forward, keep this in mind. We're not building a routine to control your day. We're building one to support it. If you're feeling a little clearer right now, that's exactly where this is meant to land. If you want me to guide you through the full step by step version, where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the complete class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month. Before you go, tell me in the comments what part of morning routine feels hardest. Your comments help more beginners find this video, and I read everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and if this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.